Hello everyone, welcome back to our open course today. And now we are here in our lab. As I already mentioned in our last part of this topic, I will teach you how to build our test platform and how to process our test by our test equipment here. So today, I will firstly show you the important components we need for our test platform. I have already put all of them on the table. We can take a look of them one by one. So first, I want to show you is our oscilloscope, which is used to read our data and record our waveform. And the next part is our IGBT and our GDU. So this is the module from Infineon, and this GDU, the driver board, is also our newest product. And the next part is our signal shifter board, because from our test equipment, it can only provide optical signal. Therefore, we need a shifter board to convert our optical signal to electrical. But during your normal double pulse test, if you can directly send electrical signals, then you don't need this shifter board anymore. It's just an extra component for our test equipment. And then here, in it, there is some structure components, cables, which is required during the test. We can put it away. And this is our laminated bus bar here. There are caps on it. They are all already assembled. So this is a very normal stack here. And another big component is our load inductance. This is also designed and manufactured by Firstack. The next important part is our signal generator, which is used to create double pulse signal. During our normal double pulse test, we will use such generator, but we also have integrated signal generator in our test equipment. So here I take it out on the table to show you how it looks like in a normal status. And by the way, this inductance has also already been integrated in our test equipment, and it's just like how it looks like that. So this is all components we need for our double pulse test, and then I will bring you to our test room and show you how to build them together. So let's go.
ME300D is a semiconductor device dynamic characteristic test equipment developed by Firstack. It integrates the test functions of double pulse, single pulse, short circuit, parallel equalization, and etc. The test voltage is up to 6000 volt, and the current is up to 8000 ampere. By the combination of software and hardware, it is committed to provide customers with highly intelligent test solutions.
Okay, now we have finished the assemble of our test platform, and now we are here in our test room. So the big guys close to me is our test equipment, ME300D here. So I can explain it shortly how it works. So on the top here, we have our oscilloscope in it, which is, I have already mentioned that it will be used to read the data and also record our waveforms. And in the middle of this part, we have a screen. We have a computer behind it, and also all of control units are already initialized in it. And also in the bottom side, we have our load inductance in it, and we can change our value of inductance automatically. So you don't need to change the values by yourselves, and you need always to connect the cable. You don't need to do it. Our test equipment can do it for you. So it will be more convenient for the test. And in this cabinet, we can open the door. We have already our platform in it. So if we look inside, firstly, we can see that our measuring instruments is here, 2 voltage probe. And this is our laminated bus bar and the caps under it. And then we have here, firstly, 2 DC cables, my plus and minus, go to here. And the cable from our load inductance, here this small cables, which is connect to DC plus, minus, and here also our AC bar. And then we can see this is our module, our GDU on it, and our shift board. And the optical signal comes from here, from our equipment, and then to our board. So this is the basic structure of our platform. And then we can start our test. But by the way, we have, before the test, every time, please power the GDU firstly with low power and to check if everything is connected, so you can make a double pause to test if all signal is connected. So then we can start our test.
First of all, the user needs to open the depower test in the computer. Choose to test IGBT or SiC MOSFET. It means that the test is in accordance with different standards. The next step is to enter the datasheet of the device and set up the test process. The process needs to be preset to the corresponding test conditions. Then enter the test central interface, select the corresponding topology of the device, the position of IGBT on the test, and set the threshold value, and then select the corresponding process to be able to test multiple conditions with one key. The progress bar on the right side of the interface allows real-time monitoring of the operating status, such as power up, wave generation, error messages, and etc. The duration of a single double pulse test is about 15 seconds. After the test is completed, you can enter the Data Central interface, which stores all the historical test data. The right side of the interface shows the test data, which is based on the IEC 60747 standard. The data report supports exporting in CSV format, and the waveforms will also be stored locally. Okay guys, now we have completed our double pulse test by our test equipment. I hope you enjoy our videos, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and follow us. So see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye.